We've been dreaming about this for years.
Mark, Jessica, and their 2 daughters have lived all over the world.
I'm in the U.S. Army. We went to Germany, Texas, Honduras, New York, Hawaii.
We lost a lot of friends as we left different places.
Right.
And now they're eager to set roots in Florida.
He is covered in vines. This might be the most challenging ground break we have ever done. Will their love of old world charm,
I love the stonework.
This looks like very French.
Okay.
real stone, is real expensive, bring them their happily ever after?
Moment of truth.
It looks so big.
Oh my God.
Oh, let's go check this out.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
These blueprints are gonna be a reality. Let's go.
Brian and I know a thing or two about building custom homes on fast timelines. There's always a reason why they need their home done in 100 days. Second baby is on the way.
Hurricane season is around the corner.
And now, we're expanding to renovations too. We're gonna flip-flop everything in this house. We don't know what's behind the walls.
Whether it's a new build or a renovation, each project has its own set of challenges.
This is the exterior of the townhome.
To raise that a foot, it's a
know.
lot of work.
I know it is.
But the look on our clients' faces makes it all worth it.
Oh my God.
I am in heaven right now.
Mark and Jessica, you found us!
Hello there, family. How are you?
There's so many trees on this lot, I didn't think you'd ever find us back here.
We have over 300 trees.
Where are you thinking this house is gonna go?
Somewhere in the middle,
That way we can still be like
in the forest,
Love that.
but
like,
in Riverview.
still have our own little place of solitude.
Yeah.
Our oasis.
How many acres is this?
7.5.
7.5 acres in the middle of Riverview.
Yeah.
Oh, Riverview, where the journey started.
And continues.
We have been living our entire lives in this area.
I mean, we went to high school here. Jade went to preschool just down the street, so we know this area very well. Who do we have here?
I'm Olivia.
Hi, Olivia.
I'm 16. And I'm Ava.
Ava.
I'm 17.
Nice
Olivia
to
and
meet
Ava, I
you.
love that.
How did you find this lot?
The internet. What are you gonna do when you want to live in Florida, but you're in Hawaii?
So you guys bought this like sight unseen?
Yeah.
I'm curious what you do.
I'm in the Army. I'm a Black Hawk helicopter pilot.
Say what?
Wow.
Okay.
Very cool.
You might have the coolest job of any client I've ever worked with.
So when I was junior in the military, I would fly a lot more. Now I train the next generation of pilots. So it's very rewarding as I'm preparing for retirement.
I mean, my parents were Air Force, but we never got Hawaii as an assignment. I'm a little bit jealous. How long did you guys stay there?
We were there for 2 years.
What's the most favorite place you guys have ever lived in the entire world?
Probably Germany. There were so many things to do.
In Germany, just being right in the middle of Europe, hey, let's go to France.
Yeah.
It's an hour and a half away.
Where are you guys originally from?
Valrico, Florida.
So you guys are from here?
Yeah, we know each other from high school.
He dated my best friend. We're still friends. But we met in the hallway and he came in, and I'm not allowed to talk about your hair, am I? Okay, not allowed to talk about his hair, but
you can say I kind of look like a hippie if you want.
it was long. It's very pretty.
See, she said it was pretty, so she did like my long hair.
I did not think it was pretty back then, though.
Talk about a full circle. You're gonna wind up in Florida, which is where you guys started.
Yeah.
This is home. We want this to be home.
With him retiring and our kids getting older, it's really important to come here and set roots.
I get to keep all my friends, and I get to actually know people down here.
Yeah,
And
that means
I'm
a
very
lot.
excited about that.
Like on the airplane, we're leaving from Germany, she was just like, just crying for like the first half hour of the flight.
You weren't even sitting with me.
I was sitting right in front of you.
Where are you guys currently living right now?
It's a little complicated. I'm stationed in Alabama. I'm living there. Ava's living with me while she's taking online courses. Next semester is going to be in-person classes for her.
So we've got to get this house done by next semester.
Deadline.
Jessica and Olivia, where you guys living?
My dad lives 5 minutes down the road, so I kind of flex between up in Alabama and here in Florida. Olivia started high school down here so that she could start her school that she'll graduate from and have friends, her forever friends, like her friends that she doesn't have to move away from in 3 years. Being able to be here, be with family, and it just means a lot to me.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna get you home and get you home soon. What are the things we need to put in this house so that there's no more moving?
At least 3 bedrooms and an office.
Okay.
There are bedrooms on the other side of the house.
Whoa!
She just took a minute.
And she pointed to you. It was like, get on the other side of the house.
They're older teenagers, they're young adults, and they need some freedom, they need their space, so I want to give them that. One of the things we do need in the new home is a really big lanai.
Oh, absolutely.
Okay, so do you kind of have like a look that you're going for?
Yeah, we really liked a lot of the features of the houses in Germany. That modern look, but old world charm.
I think it'll be really cool to infuse that
Yeah.
character. And I'm totally like relating to you guys because I know in the military housing, all the houses were the same shade of khaki, right?
Yeah. White walls, plain.
After this house is built, you can hang up the pictures and paint a wall a certain color.
How much have you guys saved to build your dream home?
$739,000.
To the T.
And 15 cents.
Give me that extra.
No, can't go over. Can't go over.
We got a lot of planning to do, especially
Yes.
while you're here in town, so we got to get to
Yeah,
it.
let's get to work.
Yeah, let's the
Need to bring my
forest.
hiking boots.
Mark, I know you're going to be heading back to Alabama pretty soon. And today, I really want to get a visual of not only the footprint of the home, but maybe some design decisions too.
Yes.
The whole theme with Mark and Jessica is old world meets new construction. We have to figure out what that means. This home is a historical home here in Tampa. What is your first impression?
I don't like the brick.
Okay. Would you change the brick out for something else?
I would like a large stone, and we don't really need much of a front porch.
Our style is just not really this.
Okay. We've gotten a good start to the day, but we still got to go see another house. Ready?
Okay, yeah.
All right,
let's
come
do
with
it.
me. With the exterior of this house, you've got like the stonework.
I love the stonework.
I really like this archway on the top. This looks like very French.
Okay. So while we're kind of looking at this exterior, I mean, how big of a garage?
We're a family of 4, so we need at least a 3-car garage.
Okay. Also, if you notice the orientation of the garage, you've kind of got this courtyard.
Yes, I feel like it kind of brings in that style that we're going for.
I'd worry about backing out, because there really is no straight shot to get out anywhere. She has
Yeah.
a history of damaging a couple vehicles.
Say what?
He had to put those pool noodles in one house garage.
So she knew where to
so that-
stop, and she didn't hit anything with the doors.
Not so
and-
I knew where to stop, but like, so that when I did hit it, I hit the noodle, not the house.
We definitely don't want any accidents happening in this brand new house that we're building for you.
But I really like the courtyard. Is there a way that we could maybe do a drive-through garage? Like you
Okay.
go through it here and then there's another garage door on the other side.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay.
No
I feel
reverse
like-
needed.
I think we might have to make a very custom garage. You guys have 7 acres. We can do whatever the heck you want with the garages. I feel like we should head inside and see what other cool features we can pull. Let's do
Can't
it.
wait.
I know that you've probably had several different styles of kitchens. What are your thoughts?
I really like the white cabinets.
Okay. You guys thinking you want to incorporate any color in your kitchen space?
We definitely need a splash of color in here.
I like red, like a crimson red.
I was leaning more towards blue, because there's a lot more option for blues. With red, if you go too light, you're pink.
But I like red.
Yeah, I don't want her seeing red and I don't want her feeling blue. So we got to figure it out. Are there any other features in here?
I like the size of this island.
All right.
But I don't like a sink in the island. Since I make bread, I have to knead the bread. And so I like it to be just a place where I can do food prep.
Okay. Let's travel on. This house has a pantry I want you to check out.
It's kind of small. If it could be definitely a lot bigger than this. And it would be better for me if it was accessed from the kitchen.
So we actually want it in the kitchen space.
Yes. But if it could be the same cabinets so that it's like a hidden space maybe.
We can camouflage it, make it more functional and in the kitchen for you. All right, cool, you guys. So let's check out some other spaces.
Mika,
Got
before we
lots.
go on, I'm noticing the ceiling here.
Yeah.
It's really catching my eye.
It definitely has kind of a nice, like, warm feeling with the brick detail.
I love it. I think we definitely need to bring some stone inside. Just a little bit more of that old world. Some of what I've seen, they would have exterior walls inside.
On the
You
inside
do
of the
not
house?
look like you're a fan.
What are your thoughts, Jessica? He kind of surprised you with that.